Chef Shay, and today I thought I would bring you guys a drink. I don't do many drinks, but I thought this one would be cool. I used to drink when I was little these Orange Julius at the mall. And so it's kind of like a frothy smoothie type drink. So I'm going to make an inspired Orange Julius from the Orange Julius drink place or smoothie or whatever you want to call it in the mall. It's really easy, and I'm going to be using DivineKuizine's sugar spice as some of the sweetener. So let's get started. This is going to be really easy to do. So I have some frozen orange juice here, concentrate. So I'm just going to dump this in. It's very easy. And your kids will really like this because, like I said, this was kind of like a childhood thing, but it's really refreshing for adults too, you know what I mean? Something, and you can do it with mango, you can do it with any other type of juice. This is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna use coconut milk, but you can use whatever milk. You can use almond milk, whole milk, but I prefer coconut milk. And then I have, that was a cup of coconut milk. And then I have a half a cup of half and half. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna put 1/4 cup of water, cold water. And this is a mixture of my sugar spice and powdered sugar. I'll have it was about like 3 tablespoons of sugar spice, and then the rest is powdered sugar, and it's a half a cup. And that will be our sweetener. And then I have some ice cubes here, and we're gonna use about 14 of those. And then we're just gonna blend everything up and have a refreshing, and you could do alcohol with this, put a little, you know, if you wanted to get your little drink on. So I'm gonna go ahead and crush this up. Oh, I guess it would be good to turn it on. Okay, y'all, so we finished blending up our Orange Julius inspired drink. So now I'm gonna put it in a cup and go for the taste. See how quick and easy that was? Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna cut my little glass here. You know, adult line. I'm gonna pour it in here. And your kids would like this too. I mean, this is good for kids. And like I said, you could put a little alcohol in here. I got a little garnish of a little orange. And there you have it, an Orange Julius inspired drink. And like I said, you can put a little alcohol in it, or, you know, you could just take it like this. Hey y'all, so now I'm gonna go in for my refreshing Orange Julius. Oh, it's good. It tastes just like, I'm gonna put a picture up somewhere of the Orange Julius place. Oh my God, I'm so excited that it tastes so good. And then I was able to remake it. It's so refreshing, y'all. This just makes you wanna be like on a tropical island. I mean, it's so good. Oh my God, so good. And then I got to use another product, my sugar spice, to sweeten up. So it's showing you another way. I'm showing you another way what you can do. Make this drink. Your kids will love it. You'll love it. And also, you can also, if you want to, put a little alcohol in it, but it's a must. Orange Julius remake. Peace out. Love y'all. Chef Shay.